Let's define convolution. The convolution of two functions f and g is defined by the integral here in this green box. This is called the convolution integral, and it's equal to f star g of t. That star is not multiplication, even though it looks like it is. Instead, it's a special operation, an integral that measures how the two functions combine as one is shifted across the other in time. Notice what's happening inside this integral. We're integrating over a dummy variable called tau, and tau goes from 0 to t. We plug tau into f and t minus tau into g, and then we multiply and integrate from 0 to t. The integral is essentially asking, how does the accumulated interaction between f and g build up?
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.